Hello everyone, this is Swati Kalra. In this video, we are going to see what is SQL injection and how can we prevent SQL injection from happening. So SQL injection is the injection of SQL scripts done with the purpose of either finding out data from the application or manipulating the data that is already present inside the application, both of which is dangerous because the data is confidential. Now we are going to have a look at the .NET code that contains some kind of SQL injection, and then we are also going to see how can we prevent SQL injection by writing the secure code. So let us have a look at that. So this is our database that contains a table named as login. The table contains these 4 records. Now let's have a look at the code. In the code we have a page which is named as login.aspx that contains the username and password field. And on the click of the login button, a query is getting called which says select star from table where email is equal to login1.username and password equals to login1.password. These things are user supplied. Now let's run this code and see what happens. So ideally, if I run this code and if I enter something which is not present inside the table, I should not be able to log in, right? But I am entering a SQL script which is single quote or 1 equals to 1 and hyphen hyphen. I am pasting the same thing inside the password field. And when I click on the login button, it says user logged in successfully. So this is what is called as SQL injection, and it is numeric SQL injection because we are writing in 1 equals to 1. Now let us see how we can prevent SQL injection from happening. So we have the same page again that contains the username and password field, but on the click of the login button, a different kind of a query is getting called, which is called as parametrized query. So here a query is getting called which is select star from login where email equals to @email and password equals to @password. And later on we are defining that what does @email is and what does @password is. Now let's run this code. And on entering the same kind of script again, which is single quote or 1 equals to 1 hyphen hyphen, in both the username and password field, I won't be logged in. So hence you have prevented the SQL injection from happening by writing the parametrized queries. So parametrized query is the bulletproof mechanism of preventing SQL injection. And whereas in the previous case you have seen that we are not writing the parametrized query, this kind of a query is called as concatenated query, and these kind of queries are responsible for SQL injections. So it is always advisable to write parametrized queries so as to prevent SQL injection. So that was a small demo on how we can prevent SQL injection from happening. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.